Hello students, this is the second topic for the construction where we have to construct the pair of tangents to a circle from a point outside it. Yes, for the previous topic to draw to divide a line segment in a given ratio, I have explained in a previous video. So these two topics are very important for us because there is a deduction from the syllabus, that is to construct a similar triangle. Yes. Now these two topics are left. So here to construct a tangent, I have taken the example from the exercise from the NCERT exercise. Here, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Any measurement could given to you to draw a circle from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Sometimes in this question they have given you the point that is outside the circle, that is the distance between the center to the that point. Sometimes there will be no distance will given to you, so there must be the method will remain same. Yes. So I will explain you when I will construct this. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So what we have to do, we have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Here it can come to construct the tangents to a circle from a point outside it. Sometimes, for example, this is given to you, only this. So what you have to do, you have to draw a circle by yourself of any radius. Yes, and you can take any point outside the circle, and from that point you need to draw a pair of tangents to the given circle. Yes. So suppose we can take as an example only. Suppose we need to draw a 6 centimeter. Yes. So what we have to do, very first step, first of all we have to take this 6 centimeter. Yes. Now we have measured the arc, that is 6 centimeter. Yes. Now we need to draw a circle. So here I am going to draw. I hope it is clear to you. Yes, and this is the center. Yes, this is the center, that is suppose point O. Yes, I hope that you are able to see this. This is the center, and we have to take a point that is 10 centimeter away from its center. Sometimes the question will say any point outside the circle. Simply what you have to do, you have to take any point and you have to join with the center. Okay, the method will remain same. The measurement of the radius could be different. Of course, it will be different. So let's take the 10 centimeter, a point that is 10 centimeter according to this question. Only according to this question I'm talking. Sometimes the distance between the center and the point will not given to you. Any point is according to your wish you can take. Yes. Now according to this question, this is 10 centimeter away, and suppose this point is P point. Yes. Are you able to see? This P point, this is the O point. हमें करना क्या है? हमें सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है, और we have to draw a tangents from the point that is outside the circle. Suppose in this question इन्होंने दिया है this P point, P is the outside point, जहाँ से हमें tangent draw करना है. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया गया है that is with the distance from the center is that 10 centimeter. वो सेंटर से 10 सेंटीमीटर दूर है. लेकिन अगर आपको दूरी नहीं दी जाता, डिस्टेंस नहीं दिया जाता है, then we can take any point. हम कोई भी पॉइंट ले सकते हैं according to our wish. हम अपनी इच्छा अनुसार कोई भी पॉइंट लेंगे जो बाहर होगा सर्कल के. The method will remain same. After joining, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will join this point to the center. Yes. Now what is the method when we have to do draw tangents? हम लोगों को इसको ज्वाइन करने के बाद हमें इस लाइन सेगमेंट का जो भी हमारा पॉइंट है, दैट इज एट एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट, वी हैव टू टेक द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस line segment. Yes, सपोज अगर ये 10 सेंटीमीटर नहीं भी होता, हमने अपनी विश से भी लिया होता कोई भी पॉइंट जो बाहर है सर्कल के, उसे हमें सेंटर से ज्वाइन करेंगे और वट एवर द लाइन सेगमेंट वी विल गेट, जो भी लाइन सेगमेंट मिलेगा वी विल टेक द मिड पॉइंट. हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट? दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द सर्कल. हमने सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिया. वी हैव टेकन अ पॉइंट एक्सटर्नल outside the circle. From that point we will draw the tangents to this circle. Now we have to find out the midpoint of this line segment after joining the external point to the center. How we can find out? We have to put our compass either here this point external point or on the center. हम center पे रखेंगे. And more than half of the line segment, मोर देन हाफ मीन्स आधे से ज़्यादा हम कंपास को आर्क वी विल टेक. यस, मोर देन हाफ. किससे हाफ? ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट है उसका हाफ से ज़्यादा हम लोग आर्क लेंगे. यस, रैंडमली वी कैन टेक एनी आर्क बट इट शुड बी मोर देन हाफ. सो सपोज देखो मैंने ये वाला आर्क ले लिया है. दिस इज आर्क, दिस इज मोर देन दिस लाइन एंड वी विल टेक above the line any arc and below the line. Yes, don't confuse with the circle. From this center now, from again we will put the compass. हम लोग compass को यहाँ रखेंगे from the that point, that external point, and again we will try to intersect the arc above, yes, and below also. Yes. Now what we will do, we are going to join these intersecting points of the arc. Yes, here this is the point and this is the point. Yes, now we are going to join this. Yes, yes. Now suppose this is the M point. Yes, what this is the M point, that is the mid point of this PO. Yes, ये PO का mid point हमें मिल गया है. mid point किसी भी line segment का हम कैसे लेते हैं? हम लोग कंपास में more than half of उसका आर्क लेते हैं, उसे above the line, ऊपर से और नीचे से, from both the end points we will cut this and we after that we will join the intersecting points of the arc. Yes, after that when we have got this midpoint we will take as a radius. Yes, अब हम इसे radius ले लेंगे. ठीक है, O MP will definitely equal to MO. Yes, why? क्योंकि ये M is the midpoint. Yes, now this is the radius from point M and taking PM or MO. See, taking M as a center and taking radius either PM or MO both are equal, we will draw a circle. Yes, this is important one. This is very important step. Yes. Yes, that will of course go through the center. वो center से ज़रूर pass होगा because M is the main point of PO. Now, these are the points where the circle, new circle will cut the given circle. देखो ये यहाँ पे cut किया है इसने. Suppose this is the A point. Yes, और एक इस point पे cut किया है circle ने, that is B point. Yes, I hope it is clear. Are you able to see this? Yes, so this new circle that we have taken, the radius is PM or MO. Yes, has cut this the given circle at point A and at point B. Yes, now what is the next step? The next step is that we have to join this intersecting point with P. Yes, yes, you can see here this A and this P. Like this. Yes, and this point B with this point P. Yes, now this PA and PB are the required tangents. Yes, PA and PB are the required tangents. Yes, and for the justification what we can see here, first of all justification से पहले I am going to revise this. Yes, first of all we will draw any circle. If the radius is given to you, then you have to use that radius and you draw the circle. If the external point is given to you, at whatever the distance from the center, then you take the distance and take the point. If any point you have to choose by yourself, you just choose that. After that, the third step is that you have to join the external point to the center of the circle. Yes, this is the third point. Then after joining the external point to the center, you will get a line segment. And what you have to do next step is that you have to find out the midpoint. Midpoint कैसे find out करना? I told you that we have to take up more than half of the line segment arc, and you have to cut above the line and below the line from both the ends, and from the intersecting points you have to join, and this will be the midpoint. And after getting the midpoint, you have to take PM as a radius. That will equal to MO also, because M is the midpoint. And then you need to draw a circle. That new circle will cut the given circle at definitely 2 points here, A and B, and then join external point to the intersecting point of the circles, and then you can get the tangents, a pair of tangents that we have drawn from an external point, that is P. Yes, so we have got this PA and PB. Yes, PA and PB are are required tangents. Yes, now how we can justify this? See again I am telling you, justification are not going to come, but फिर भी मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. What we will do, we will join the any point from the end point of the tangent, point of contact to the center. हम लोग इसे join करेंगे. Yes, it should be of angle 90 degree. You can check. Yes, देखो. Yes, now you can see this is of the 90 degree. ये देखो 90 degree का है ये line segment हमारा, और ये angle 90 degree बना रहा है. It is just remember, recall the theorem that radius, this is OA is also a radius. Yes, radius always make a 90 degree angle, or we can say it is a perpendicular on the tangent at the point of contact. Yes, so we can justify also that angle PAO, angle PAO will equal to 90 degree. So by this we have drawn the pair of tangent from any external point. This is the only method that we have to use to draw the pair of tangents. I hope it is very clear to you. For any query you can write in a comment. I am going to explain. Okay, thank you students.